You ever sit there staring at the wall, thinking, what's the point anymore? You've been grinding, showing up, sacrificing, and still nothing's happening. No results, no praise, no validation, just silence. And that's when that voice creeps in. Maybe this isn't for you. Maybe you're not good enough. Maybe you should just quit. Listen to me. That voice is lying to you. It's the voice that always shows up right before everything finally starts to click. Every person who ever made it hit that same wall you're facing right now. The difference? They didn't walk away. J.K. Rowling was broke, depressed, raising a child alone. 12 publishers rejected Harry Potter. 12. If she quit at the 12th, no, she'd still be broke, and the world would have never met Hogwarts. Sylvester Stallone was homeless, broke, and starving. Every studio rejected his script for Rocky. He sold his dog just to buy food. He could have said, screw this, but he didn't. He held his ground, and that movie made him a legend. Michael Jordan didn't make his high school basketball team. Most people would have said, guess I'm not cut out for it. He didn't say that. He went harder. He trained like his life depended on it, and when he came back, he didn't just make the team, he became the greatest of all time. The pattern is clear. The moment you feel like quitting is the same moment that's testing if you're worthy of the next level. You don't need more motivation. You need to remember who you said you wanted to be. You said you wanted to change your life. You said you wanted freedom. You said you wanted respect, peace, and power. Well, guess what? None of that comes easy. It's supposed to hurt right now because life is testing how bad you really want it. You can't ask for strength, then quit when life gives you weight to lift. You can't beg for success, then fold when pressure hits. Pressure is the test. Pain is the process. Every winner you admire once thought about quitting. Every beast had a breaking point. The difference is simple. They decided their emotions wouldn't control their actions. You can feel tired. You can feel lost. You can even feel broken. But you don't stop. You drag yourself forward. You crawl if you have to. Because every inch you move when you're tired counts 10 times more than what you do when you're motivated. Think about your future self 5 years from now. The one who made it. The one living free, respected, fulfilled. That version of you is looking back at this exact moment saying, thank you for not giving up on me. You don't need a sign. You are the sign. Keep going. Because if you quit now, you'll spend the rest of your life explaining why you didn't finish. You're not failing, you're forging. The fire you're in right now isn't punishment, it's preparation. You're not being buried, you're being planted. Keep showing up. Keep fighting. Because one day you'll realize that wall you thought was blocking you was actually building you. Stay hungry. Stay dangerous. Stay unfiltered.